Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Tristan, and this is a devlog for my app called Reciply. I want to start a devlog just to kind of just document my work. I've been working on this project for a little while, not a super long time, but I've had the idea for a long time, and it's been taking me a while to figure out how to get everything designed and get everything working. This is an app built with Next.js. My first, well, I guess like my second app with Next.js that I'm actually interested and excited about. I'm a full-time developer. This is just a side project for me. No intense ulterior motives or anything. Just trying to have fun with this project. Yeah, so I'll just go over it. Basically, this is like all, in progress stuff, super early, using a Bulma CSS framework to throw this together. Anyways, so it's a recipe sharing app, different users. These are all just test users, obviously, even though it's got my name. Different users can create recipes and post them and to share them with other users for the purpose of being able to build your own collection of recipes that you can create meal plans with, and those meal plans can generate shopping lists. So some of the options or things that I've built out so far are the ability to, obviously add recipes. Why did that not load? It's weird. That is super weird. Maybe this is like a bad session or something. I'm just gonna leave that in because fuck it. So yeah, you can create new recipes. You can look at different recipes, and let's see if I already saved this one. Yeah, you can like recipes, unlike them, and it's all connected to Firebase. This is your My Recipes section where you can look at your saved recipes as well as the recipes you've created, and you can of course go in and edit your recipes. You can delete them too if you want to do that. I don't even know if I actually built this feature yet. But yeah, pretty standard. And the meal planner is the thing that I've been working on. Just getting all the date stuff working correctly and figuring out a kind of structure to be able to add recipes to the meal planner. This is what I'm working on right now. So my next update will be hopefully additions to this thing, actually being able to add recipes and getting them to save into Firebase or Cloud Firestore, and that'll all come together with the shopping list. So the idea that's cool to me is sort of passing the recipes around through this app and being able to actually use the recipes for something tangible in the real world. I kind of just hate meal planning, and I want a tool to make it better. I want something that will just make it super easy and streamlined for me and my family. And if I'm the only one using it, that's totally chill. But I think it's like there's some potential. It could be a kind of cool project. So that's where I'm at with this right now. I'm going to continue on the meal planner. I'm going to get better at making videos and feeling comfortable talking on a video format. But yeah, so that's it for now. And look out for the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.